By default, the working area in 3ds Max is divided into 4 viewports of equal size. This is where you view and modify your scene. Only one viewport is active at a time, and is highlighted by a yellow border. To switch viewports, make it a habit of right-clicking instead of left-clicking inside the viewport you wish to activate. This will prevent many problems later. To switch the active viewport between normal and full-sized, press Alt-W. If you want multiple viewports but don't like the default layout, you can resize viewports horizontally, vertically, or both ways by clicking and dragging the viewport's intersection point. You can reset the layout with a right-click at the intersection of 2 or more viewports. Another way of reorganizing the viewports is to right-click the General Viewport Label menu, which looks like a plus sign, and access the Viewport Configuration dialog. Select the Layout tab and choose from any one of the 14 layouts. In this case, let's leave the default setup and cancel the dialog. The default viewport shows 3 isometric views, top, left, and front, and one 3D viewport called Perspective. Isometric views are 2D representations of the 3D scene, while the perspective view most closely resembles human vision. You can change a view by right-clicking the Point of View Viewport Label menu and selecting another view from the list. You can also change the view by pressing V to obtain a shorter menu or by interacting with the view cube. For more information, see the movie entitled Using the View Cube and Steering Wheels. At this time, only the perspective view is shaded. The other views are shown in wireframe. You can change this by right-clicking the Shading Viewport Label menu and switching the mode between wireframe and Smooth plus Highlight. To achieve this more quickly, use the F3 key on the keyboard as a toggle for this mode. When a viewport is shaded, you can also see the underlying geometry by turning on the Edged Faces mode. This is an extremely valuable tool when modeling. The keyboard shortcut for Edged Faces mode is F4.